Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a free affiliate marketing page, and more specifically, how to create and link the terms and conditions to include a privacy policy like the one you see right here, where to get this information and generate this terms and conditions information for free, as well as how to link this all up and show you how to do that for free inside of GrooveFunnels. First things first, why do you need terms and conditions? Well, one reason is it can increase your quality score, specifically for AdWords, also for Facebook ads. You can see here that a privacy policy agreement is required by law if you collect personal data, but the agreement might also help you get a better quality score. This is specifically for Google AdWords campaigns, but this also applies if you're going to be running paid traffic from any traffic source. So, where and how do you generate your free terms and conditions policy page? You simply do that at the home page here at termsfeed.com. You come here and you can go to terms and conditions and you can click generate terms and conditions page. Go ahead and go to the generator, click generate terms and conditions. Go ahead, generate it for a website, click next step, fill out this form with all your information. If you are a business, click your business. If not, go ahead and just click I am an individual. Enter the country. I'll go ahead and enter US and I'm in Arkansas. Then I'll move on to the next step. Here you can actually pay for more detailed policies and terms and conditions that you need if you need them. In this case, for affiliate marketing landing page, we'll just go ahead and go through this. No, because we do not offer any of this on our affiliate marketing landing page, which is just a squeeze page or a capture page. So we'll go ahead and how can users contact you for any questions regarding your terms and conditions? We'll say by email. We'll enter our email address here. And we'll go ahead and click next step. Here you can generate your terms and conditions by clicking generate. It will generate your terms and conditions. You can see a preview of the terms and conditions here, which is exactly what you saw on the terms and conditions privacy policy page that I created. You can also copy the HTML code right here, or you can simply click copy and go to the page where they're hosting the terms and conditions page for you, which you could link to that, or you could create your own page just like we did right here on our privacy policy page. So what does this look like? Well, we're going to generate our squeeze page or our landing page, and then at the bottom we're going to link to our privacy policy right there. So we'll go ahead and log into GrooveFunnels, pop into GroovePages, and create this page and link it to our privacy policy page. Here we are inside of GrooveFunnels. We'll go ahead and we will go to apps and we'll go to GroovePages. Here you can see I've created 3 free sites already. So to continue, I would need to upgrade to Pro, which you can see here you can get for a one-time purchase for a lifetime access for a Pro account or as of this video. But we'll go ahead for now and just go ahead and click Open Editor on our landing page that we already have created. And you can see here's our landing page. Of course, you would edit this as you need, and you would click on the privacy policy here, and you would simply link that out right here to your privacy policy page. Of course, your privacy policy page would be created right here under Create New Page, create a privacy policy page, and you would simply add a text element and paste in your terms and conditions. Then once that is pasted in, you would go ahead and save and publish here, and you would publish that under your terms and conditions page, which you see right here is our landing page. Then the privacy policy is simply linked right here at the bottom. You click on privacy policy and you see it will launch your privacy policy page. And again, your privacy policy page is a requirement by law and other regulations inside your country or state. So make sure that you are doing this, and it's just that simple. This video was helpful. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the ones you see right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.